Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma TS3752i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to align print head. If you have any smear issue or the paper is not printed correctly or the paper is rough or not smooth as you prefer, I would recommend for you to complete print head alignment. And to do that, you need to go to Setup button, select this button to number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will show you number 4. Then you select black to print head. So now it's printing alignment paper. Then the next thing to do is take the paper, stick it on the glass scanner, make sure the document starts from the top left side, close the scanner, then select black or color. And you will see that the power on button is flashing intermittently. Once it's complete, the light will stop. And you can see that the light is now steady. So this is how to align print head. Then you discard this paper. So this is how to print head alignment. Thank you very much indeed.